Hello everyone, I'm Sean and welcome back to the channel. This is video number 5 in my great guitar build-off of 2022. As before, if you haven't seen the other ones, make sure you head back, check them all out. They should be nicely in a nice little playlist for you guys. In the last video, we did a lot of work on the neck. We put in our inlays and we carved the neck itself. So that was a huge amount of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And unfortunately, we didn't do anything to the body. Hopefully that will change in this video. So grab yourself a nice cup of tea, some coffee, whatever you want, get comfortable and enjoy. Starting this video off, I'm afraid we're gonna go back to the neck. I want to do the cut out for the headstock to make it hollow, kind of first off the bat really. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Essentially, I hope you can see this, I have two areas kind of marked out. Where the hashes are going to be is going to be kind of a facet going down, and the internal kind of structure is what I'm going to cut away. I'm going to use the drill press first to kind of start inside in the hollow area, and then use a scroll saw to kind of cut away most of it. I am of course going to have to finesse that and kind of get the final shape in, hand tools, rasps, chisels, kind of whatever I fancy, to be honest. So there's not really much else to it. Hit the subscribe button and let's get going. Headstock is complete. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of thing. I actually really like it. I've been kind of wanting to do one for a little while. I'm just delighted I managed to get the chance. At this stage, I think it's kind of time for this neck to meet the body. It's neck pocket time. What I'm going to do is essentially, I have a pile of stuff here. I'm essentially going to get the body, get the neck, place the neck on the body where I need it to be and clamp it down. And I will be able to line it up with the center line. And then I'm going to get some long pieces of MDF with an edge that I know is straight. Drop it. And then stick these on either side of the neck onto the body. This is essentially going to create a custom neck pocket template in the exact place that I want the neck. And then it's going to be out. Use the drill press with a Forstner bit to drill out the neck pocket down to the correct depth. Take away as much material as possible, make life easier for the router, which I will then come in with a router and route it out to the correct depth. And all going well, which it should go well, the body should be attached to the neck. It'll kind of look like a guitar then. We have a guitar. I always think this is when an instrument really comes together, when you can actually see what it is. And I think it's a fitting place to end this video as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I am absolutely delighted. I got enough done that it really looks like I got some work done. You know what I mean? Make sure to, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit like on this video. Make sure you've watched all of the others, although you should have if you've watched this far into this one. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I will see you all again real soon. I'm getting so good at neck joints.